Hello, this is Swathiramya, Assistant Professor, AIDS Department. You are with me in NLP lecture series, and here we were discussing in the previous videos, we were discussing about the overview of chatGPT and introduction of NLP and the few steps that how chatGPT is connected with NLP. So we were discussing about the two steps. Okay, first step will be the data collection and pre-processing. Here how the data has been gathered and how the basic pre-processing steps and the data, how the data has been analyzed using what way we were discussing about that in the previous video. And second step, model training. In the model training we were discussing about the pre-trained ChatGPT and the fine tuning. Pre-trained is we try to understand the natural language things, and we try to understand from the words and phrases how the words and phrases are formed. With that we try to understand the actual meaning, and we'll give training for that. Okay, then fine tuning, see, every word has a different meaning, depends on the domain specific. So we try to understand the natural languages on the domain specific, so the meaning will be get changed. So that is called fine tuning. With that help of domain specific words we try to train the transformer. Okay, in this video we are going to focus on third step, that is integration with NLP. In here it's going to deal with the text processing and feature extraction. Here NLP techniques are applied to incoming text input to pre-process and extract the relevant features. Okay, these techniques may include tokenization, stemming, lemmatization and stop word removal. These all the main techniques that has been used in our input text. With that input text we are going to process our text. We are going to apply all this technique on the text processing, and these all techniques we already been discussed in NLP videos. Yeah, what is tokenization, stemming and lemmatization and stop word removal, all those things. And this stop word removal has been discussed in previous videos also. Okay, so these all the text processing we are doing. Okay, these all comes under NLP. In this way the ChatGPT has been linked with NLP processing. Okay, next, about the feature extraction, we have been processed a raw text and it's ready to extract the feature. Okay, so NLP process extract semantic feature from the pre-processed text data such as word embedding or syntactic structure, which are then feed into the ChatGPT model for the language generation. Okay, so we have, what we are doing is we are processing our text and we are making the raw data to pre-processed text data, and in this text data we try to extract the features, which is the highlighted features we needed. Okay, then we will put this text into the ChatGPT model. Okay, this is the third step. Okay, then we are moving to the fourth step, that is response generation. How we are going to generate the response? In this we have two things, conceptual understanding and language generation. First we try to understand the input text in a conceptual way, because we have two type of meaning for the same word. We can have the two type of meaning depend on what situation or what domain it has been used. Okay, so that is, for that we need conceptual understanding. The ChatGPT leverages its pre-trained knowledge and conceptual information provided by the input text to generate the human-like responses. So it try to understand the conceptual meaning of that text, and it try to generate the language generation. Okay, so based on the feature extracted, that is extracted feature and conceptual understanding, ChatGPT generate a response that is syntactically and semantically coherent or mimicking the human conversation. Okay, so what generally what is the response generation? We try to understand the text conceptually based on the previous training. From the previous training that has been underwent by the model, and with the help of that previous training it try to understand the conceptual meaning of the text, and it will generate the responses based on the conceptual understanding and also feature extraction. It will generate the response syntactically and semantically, which is same like human conversation. Okay, this is the fourth step. And what about the fifth step will be the post processing and evaluation. Post processing is nothing but generated response may undergo post processing steps such as formatting, spelling check and sentiment analysis to ensure its quality and coherence. Okay, that is post processing. Then about evaluation, the quality of generated response can be evaluated using the metrics such as perplexity, BLEU score, or the human evaluations, fluency, coherence. So the evaluation will be done with the help of few metrics, perplexity, all those perplexity, human evaluation, all those things we have been learned in NLP. So there comes the role of NLP in chatGPT. See, the overall integration of the chatGPT with NLP processing enables the model to understand the process and generate the human-like text responses effectively. So by all these steps we could able to understand how the NLP role has been made in chatGPT. Okay, see you in the next video with the new concepts. Bye.